Welcome to Module 9, focused exclusively on good distribution practices, GDP, in the context of pharmaceuticals. Not to be confused with gross domestic product. GDP in pharmaceutical terms serves as your critical defense system, ensuring medication quality, efficacy, and patient safety throughout every step of the distribution network. This module offers comprehensive coverage of regulatory frameworks, SOP implementations, meticulous validation processes, auditing strategies, and the development of a sustainable quality culture within the pharmaceutical supply chain. Good distribution practices, GDP, refer to the regulated quality assurance measures outlined by Schedule M of India's Drug and Cosmetic Act, closely aligned with CDSCO guidelines. These protocols ensure consistent pharmaceutical product integrity, from manufacturing to the final patient. GDP standards in pharma comprise a comprehensive quality management system, QMS, that specifies clear organizational roles, procedures, and resource distribution to ensure continuous quality compliance. Extensive ongoing training for all distribution personnel on GDP principles, emphasizing their pharmaceutical-specific responsibilities. Facility standards designed to rigorously protect medications from contaminants, environmental threats, and deterioration, ensuring storage compliance. Meticulous documentation processes, highlighting detailed pharmaceutical batch traceability, regulatory accountability, and clear audit trails. Detailed operational guidelines covering precise pharmaceutical handling, stringent FIFO, first expiry, first out inventory management, and immediate recall readiness. Highly regulated transportation standards, specifically designed for pharmaceutical product safety, maintaining the essential conditions required to preserve medication efficacy during transit. Implementing GDP rigorously safeguards against contamination, product degradation, and regulatory non-compliance. Securing patient trust and safety. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, are explicitly detailed written instructions, outlining each pharmaceutical warehousing task. SOPs ensure uniformity, safety, and strict regulatory compliance in pharmaceutical logistics. Pharmaceutical warehousing mandates critical SOPs including strict receiving processes, verifying pharmaceutical shipments against meticulous documentation to eliminate downstream errors. Comprehensive FIFO inventory control, essential to minimize pharmaceutical product expiry risks. Detailed protocols for managing pharmaceutical returns, damaged goods, quarantine procedures, and destruction of expired medications. Consistent, detailed pharmaceutical record-keeping systems, ensuring audit transparency and full regulatory compliance. Regular calibration and meticulous maintenance schedules, specific to pharmaceutical warehouse equipment, essential for reliability and compliance. These stringent pharma-specific SOPs significantly mitigate inventory discrepancies, minimize product loss, and consistently uphold pharmaceutical operational excellence. Validation and qualification in pharmaceutical warehousing systematically verify that all equipment, processes, and systems perform consistently and adhere strictly to pharmaceutical industry regulatory standards. In pharmaceutical logistics, the structured 4Q validation process includes design qualification, DQ, ensuring pharmaceutical warehouse equipment and system designs fully comply with GDP and GMP regulations. Installation qualification, IQ, confirming proper compliant installation. According to manufacturer and pharmaceutical regulatory guidelines. Operational qualification (OQ), validating system performance within pharmaceutical-specific operational parameters. Performance qualification (PQ), demonstrating long-term consistent reliability of pharmaceutical warehousing equipment under actual operational conditions. Each validation step provides rigorous proof of compliance, ensuring pharmaceutical safety, reliability, and overall system robustness. To uphold GDP compliance in pharmaceuticals, continuous training, thorough auditing, and cultivating a robust, quality-oriented culture with all channel partners are essential. Fostering a pharmaceutical-specific quality culture includes regular GDP training programs tailored to pharmaceutical compliance, ensuring all personnel are fully informed of industry-specific regulatory requirements, a layered auditing strategy, including comprehensive internal self-inspections, pharmaceutical logistics partner assessments, and rigorous external regulatory audits. Using precise analytics and pharmaceutical-specific performance metrics to promptly identify operational gaps and implement targeted improvements. Open and continuous feedback mechanisms, emphasizing transparent communication about pharmaceutical quality standards and improvement areas. Recognition programs celebrating adherence to pharmaceutical GDP compliance standards, reinforcing a consistent quality mindset across all channel partners. A sustained pharmaceutical quality culture significantly enhances operational efficiency, assures regulatory compliance, and fosters profound stakeholder and patient trust. Module 9 Key Takeaways. GDP protocols in pharmaceuticals ensure consistent medication quality and patient safety. Pharma-specific SOPs are crucial for consistent operations and regulatory compliance. Detailed validation and qualification safeguard reliability and regulatory adherence in pharmaceutical distribution. Continuous pharma-focused training, auditing, and quality culture building are fundamental to long-term operational success.